Ever wondered if a simple tweak in your diet could rewind your kidneys' age by decades? Stick around, because today we're revealing 7 powerhouse foods, and the 7th one is a true game changer you won't want to miss. Welcome to your roadmap for revitalized kidneys. No fluff, just warm, practical, science-backed insights you can start using today. We'll explore each food's unique benefits, show you easy ways to include them in everyday meals, and explain the research behind why they work. Watch through to the end to discover the most important kidney-enhancing secret of all. And by the time you're done, you'll be armed with real, actionable steps to nourish your body's vital filters. Let's dive in. The first food that earns its place on this list is blueberries, tiny, jewel-like warriors against oxidative stress. Picture a handful of these deep blue gems shimmering with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that roam your bloodstream, neutralizing rogue free radicals before they can damage your kidney's delicate filtering units. When oxidative stress is left unchecked, it accelerates inflammation and tissue aging, impairing the microscopic nephrons that cleanse about 200 liters of blood each day. Research in the Journal of Renal Nutrition found that daily berry consumption can lower oxidative stress markers by up to 25%, translating into less inflammatory burden for your kidneys. Imagine your kidneys as intricate sponges. Blueberries help keep the pores of those sponges clear, ensuring they filter smoothly year after year. Integrating them is effortless. Stir them into oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or simply enjoy them frozen straight from the bag. Beyond their vibrant flavor, they deliver a daily defense that supports kidney longevity, boosts energy stability, and promotes overall well-being. The second food to spotlight is fatty fish, whose omega-3 fatty acids deliver soothing waves of anti-inflammatory power. Think of each bite of salmon, mackerel, or sardines as a gentle tide washing away chronic inflammation in your glomeruli, the tiny filters that remove waste from your blood. Without this calming effect, inflammation can stiffen and scar these filters, diminishing their efficiency over time. A clinical trial published in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases revealed that omega-3 supplementation led to a 20% reduction in proteinuria, a key marker of kidney stress. Imagine nets catching debris. Omega-3s act as rust inhibitors, preserving the flexibility and strength of those nets. Incorporation couldn't be simpler. Grill a fillet with lemon, toss canned sardines into a leafy salad, or whip up a quick tuna salad using olive oil-packed tuna. Even 2 servings of fatty fish per week can yield noticeable benefits: reduced systemic inflammation, improved joint comfort, steadier mood, and lighter renal workload. And let's be honest, there's nothing quite like the rich, satisfying flavor of well-prepared fish to make healthy eating feel like a treat, not a chore. Next, let's turn to olive oil, liquid gold for your blood pressure and beyond. Extra virgin olive oil is brimming with monounsaturated fats and phenolic compounds that lower inflammation, enhance endothelial function, and gently reduce blood pressure, all of which relieve stress on your kidneys. Since hypertension is a leading driver of chronic kidney disease, even a small dip in systolic numbers can translate into years of preserved kidney function. Picture your blood vessels as highways. When blood pressure spikes, it's like sudden traffic jams cracking the asphalt, forcing your kidneys to work overtime to manage the load. Olive oil behaves like a skilled repair crew, smoothing out those cracks for a steady, unrestricted flow. Swap out butter or industrial seed oils for a generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil on roasted vegetables, grains, or fresh greens. You'll not only enjoy a richer, more vibrant flavor, but also a frontline defense against vascular damage. Over time, you'll notice more stable energy, fewer blood pressure fluctuations, and the confidence that you're nurturing your kidneys with every spoonful. Another sensational choice is red bell peppers, offering a colorful crunch that's kinder to your kidneys than many other veggies. Unlike potassium-heavy greens, red peppers provide abundant vitamin C, vitamin A, and antioxidants without overwhelming your renal system. Think of your kidneys as precision instruments. Moderate potassium keeps them humming, while the antioxidants in red peppers help regenerate tissue and fight low-grade inflammation. Research from the National Kidney Foundation highlights red peppers as an ideal kidney-supportive vegetable, thanks to this balanced profile. Enjoy them raw for a sweet, juicy snack, roast them to concentrate their natural sugars, or blend them into velvety soups that warm you from the inside out. They make an eye-catching addition to omelets, grain bowls, and zesty salsas, ensuring you won't tire of their versatility. As you savor that crisp bite, know that you're delivering critical nourishment to your kidneys, helping to maintain clear filtration pathways and supporting your body's immune defenses along the way. Cauliflower then takes center stage as the chameleon of kidney health. This cruciferous champion is low in potassium, yet rich in fiber, vitamin C, and folate, nutrients that support both digestion and detoxification. Envision your gut and kidneys as a two-step waste removal team. Fiber in cauliflower sweeps toxins through your digestive tract, reducing what your kidneys have to handle, while folate promotes tissue repair. A study in the Journal of Nutrition linked diets rich in cruciferous vegetables to a 15–20% slower progression of kidney disease, underlining cauliflower's protective role. The culinary possibilities are endless. Swap mashed potatoes for creamy cauliflower mash, pulse it into rice for stir-fries, or roast florets with herbs and spices for a crispy snack. By replacing conventional carbs with cauliflower, you not only lower your potassium intake but also boost your fiber, curbing blood sugar spikes that can harm both your kidneys and overall metabolic health. Over weeks and months, you'll likely experience smoother digestion, steadier energy, and the reassurance that you're giving your kidneys a lighter, cleaner workload. Don't underestimate garlic, the tiny clove with mighty benefits. Garlic's signature compound, allicin, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agent that helps regulate blood pressure and protect renal tissues from chronic damage. Think of inflammation as an ongoing fire that slowly erodes your kidney structure. Garlic provides a steady rain, dousing embers before they flare up. Laboratory research has shown allicin can reduce inflammatory cytokines by up to 30%, shielding delicate kidney cells from oxidative assault. Simply incorporate crushed garlic into dressings and marinades, sauté it with leafy greens, or roast whole cloves to mellow the flavor into a sweet, nutty treat. Just 1 clove a day can produce significant shifts over time. Lower inflammatory markers, improve circulation, and a calming effect on blood pressure. Plus, garlic's immune-boosting properties may help you fight off low-grade infections that can indirectly burden your kidneys. As this simple kitchen staple finds its way into more of your meals, you'll appreciate how effortless it is to fortify your body's natural defenses and preserve your vital filters. Finally, we arrive at the 7th and most game-changing food: apples. An apple a day isn't just an old saying, it's a powerful tool for easing your kidney's workload. Apples are rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that binds toxins in the gut and escorts them out via digestion, sparing your kidneys from handling excess waste. At the same time, they deliver quercetin, an antioxidant that acts like microscopic bodyguards, defending renal cells against oxidative damage. Picture pectin as a gentle magnet, latching onto unwanted molecules and removing them before they ever enter your bloodstream. Meanwhile, quercetin patrols your tissues, keeping inflammation at bay and preserving cellular integrity. Enjoy apples fresh with nut butter for a satisfying snack, bake them with cinnamon for a comforting dessert, or toss slices into salads for a sweet, crisp contrast. Over time, you'll notice steadier energy, fewer digestion-related slumps, and the confidence that you've added a delicious daily detox assistant to your regimen. This simple habit has the power to transform how your kidneys handle toxins, making it the crown jewel of your kidney rejuvenation plan. Now that you know these 7 foods, blueberries, fatty fish, olive oil, red bell peppers, cauliflower, garlic, and apples, start small and build consistency. Add 1 item to your meals each day, and watch how small changes compound into lasting kidney health. Here's to feeling decades younger from the inside out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends and family.